Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize video on your CapCut. So to do that, you can just add a video into the CapCut, and then the first way to do it, you can just click on the video and then pinch the video like this to resize the video. You can also zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so just like this, or you can also use the format option in the CapCut. So you can just browse over the toolbar here and you'll find the format option. So for in this case, I'm going to change the video into the square, into square size, square format. Just click on this and then go back, and if I want to make it fit into the format, I'm going to pinch in again like this so that it fits into the frames. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can resize your video on CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Feel free to drop a question in this comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.